Cold day today, and it's going to get colder as the day goes on because clouds are clearing the area as we speak, and the clouds kind of kept temperatures from dropping quite as far overnight tonight, last night, as they will overnight tonight. In fact, tonight into tomorrow morning, that's going to be the coldest part of this particular cold stretch. You can see as we look out the windows, it is brightening up just a little bit. We still have some cloud cover out there. Let's start off with a quick look at our weather headlines, what to expect from this Tuesday. We're going to start off the day breezy and chilly, clouds clearing, the sun comes out, and it's a bright sunny afternoon, but it is going to be very windy today. Winds could gust to 30 miles an hour, maybe even 40 plus miles an hour in spots. That'll make it feel like the 30s all day. Tomorrow, not as windy, sunny, and the afternoon is slightly milder, but tomorrow morning, we're going to wake up to temperatures in the 20s in many spots, probably freezing or maybe slightly below freezing in Philadelphia. It's not quite that cold this morning, but it feels pretty chilly as the winds are starting to pick up. I want to put up our wind chills here just so you can see what we're looking at. This is what it feels like when you step out the door right now. 35 in Wilmington, feels like 37 in Philadelphia. You can see the winds are really starting to pick up. Where you see that brighter blue, that's where it feels like close to freezing right now, feeling like the 20s in the Poconos. So it's definitely a day for the winter coat, maybe even the gloves and the hat if you're going to be out, if you have a long walk, maybe to school or work or to the bus stop this morning. It is going to feel like the return of winter. Take a look at your next 12 hours, and the wind really picks up throughout the day. 1 o'clock, 44 degrees. Feels like 35, and 46 at 4 p.m. feels like just 38 degrees. That is brutal for April, but we do have some changes in the 7-day forecast. We have to get through another round of rain first. I'll tell you when that arrives coming up. Kim, I'll send it over to you. Good morning. We've got a beautiful start to the day, at least to look at, but if you step outside, you'll realize very quickly you're going to need a heavier coat. You can see the flag right there kind of really flapping in the breeze picking up now. Skies are clearing. We're going to have a really nice looking sunrise across much of the region, but again, it is a cold day. It's feeling like the return of winter today. Temperatures topping out in the 40s, which is cold. Our normal high, 61. We're below average, but it's the wind that's going to make it feel so much worse. And you can see the winds haven't really started to pick up the pace yet in Philadelphia. Right now it's sustained at about 10 miles an hour, but as the day goes on, those winds are going to pick up and pick up. We could have gusts to 35, even 40 miles an hour. So even now, 43, feeling like 37 when you step out the door, but you can see the clouds clearing, skies brightening up. We've got a lot of sunshine today. That helps. At least the sun streaming through the windows will help. Maybe you feel more productive than you did yesterday. What a dreary day that was. Today, however, it is cold outside. You step outside again, you don't want to be out there for too long. And you can see where the winds are coming from over the Great Lakes. All of this cold wind moving over the comparatively warmer waters of Lake Erie there and up toward Lake Ontario. You're seeing a little bit more of that lake effect snow. Snow showers and snow squalls drifting even down into central Pennsylvania. So today is a day to bring back out the winter coat. Yesterday you may have had the rain gear on. You don't need the rain gear today, but you want to be warm. Maybe even the knit hat. Sunglasses will be needed later on, even for the later part of the morning commute. Once the sun comes up, it'll be with us most of the day. But it's windy and it's cold at just 47 degrees. And by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, temperatures will be at or below freezing in most spots. Now, technically the growing season hasn't started yet in Philadelphia and surrounding suburbs, so I don't think we'll see frost and freeze warnings. Where you do have one, southern Delaware, Kent and Sussex counties will be under a freeze warning tonight into tomorrow morning, and really the next 12 hours not looking too great. 44 feeling like 36 thanks to that wind. 4 p.m. 46 will feel like 37. Again, winds gusting to 35 or 40 miles an hour. Tomorrow's a little bit better. It's a very cold morning, but then the afternoon rebounds a bit. Clouds roll in Thursday with a few late day showers and then more rain, steadier rain Friday into a cold and dreary start to the weekend. We do have one bright spot in the forecast, and that is next Monday. Kim, I'll send it over to you.
I'm definitely looking forward to next Monday.